So basically, the Monty Hall problem comes from this game show in the 70s where you start off with 3 doors. Inside 2 of the doors are goats and one of them is a car. You want the car.
Yes, please.
The host asks you to pick a door. You pick a door. The host then reveals a door with a goat and asks if you want to switch.
Is it?
You started off with a 1/3 probability of winning and now you have a 1/2 probability of winning if you switch or stay. And it doesn't really matter. Or, dun dun dun, you should switch with a 2/3 chance of winning.
What? Ah! I'm going to explain this differently than how most people explain it. You're not wrong, the question is ambiguous. If Monty the host will only open a door with a goat, then contrary to what you might initially think, you do have a 2/3 chance of winning if you switch. However, if Monty will sometimes just open the door to the car and end the game, then it doesn't matter if you stay or switch. Let's start by explaining scenario 1. Without loss of generality, assume you pick door 1. This would be the same situation if you picked door 2 or door 3. With the first strategy of staying with the door you initially picked, if the car is in door 1, you win. If the car is in door 2 or 3, you lose. So you have a 1/3 probability of winning the car. On the other hand, if you choose to switch, if the car is in door 1, you'll lose. But if the car is in door 2 or 3, you'll win. So you have a 2/3 chance of winning the car. Essentially, you're picking if you want door 1 or door 2 or 3. Now consider scenario 2. Again, assume you pick door 1. Now there's the possibility that the host will open the door with the car and end the game. Otherwise, Monty will open one of the doors with the goat and the chance of winning is 50-50. Really, nothing has changed and this whole game you had a 1/3 chance of winning. Let's look at it a different way. Imagine you're taking a test and you have 3 choices. You have no clue what the answer is, so you completely guess A, eliminate B, and switch to C. Anytime you do this, you'll have a 1/3 chance of being correct. If instead you pick A, and the teacher feels bad for how poorly everyone did in the last exam, so she looks at your exam and removes one of the options you didn't choose. That's incorrect. Now if you switch, you have a 2/3 chance of being correct. So whether or not you should switch depends on if Monty will always pick the door with the goat. Whether or not you should switch depends on how you interpret the question. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.